We are a boutique creative agency specialising in B2B and B2C marketing and event communications. And that tells you absolutely nothing about us whatsoever. In a Me Too world, where it would be hard for the uninitiated to tell one brand communications agency from another, what differentiators really matter? Size doesn't matter. You can be big and bad, or small and good. Headcount doesn't matter. A few brilliant individuals will usually be a better bet than a room full of people making up the numbers. Even success isn't particularly important. You can turn a decent profit selling mediocre solutions to the unwary. What matters is why you do what you do, how authentic you are to your own values, and how brave you are in striving to deliver solutions that actually make a lasting, positive difference. We're in this business because we like it. We can see the point of it. It's rewarding on a deeply satisfying level. We get a kick from engaging audiences and inspiring action. Because what we do is evolve brands from promises into actions. It's a change you can see and feel. It's the difference between saying you're going to do something and actually doing it. We're based in London, but we help blue-chip clients all over the world turn the promise of their brands into tangible, measurable actions. We start by asking questions, challenging conventions, and trying to bridge the gap between what your brand says and what it does. We're bold enough to choose the path less travelled, and we'll go anywhere and everywhere to gain the right insights. We pursue the big idea, but never compromise on attention to detail. Last but not least, we believe that if we're doing things right, every project should be enjoyable. And that's a promise that can only ever become an action when it's built on trust, clarity, and authenticity from the outset. Brands at work, engaging audiences, inspiring action.